Here's a look at these rain shoe covers. This is how they come packaged right here. So you just rip these open. It's got a little tear notch right there. Just give that a rip. And then this is how they come all folded up. So you just unfold them. Just like that. And there's two of them right there. You got a little scrunchie on one end. And then it's closed. On the other end, and has that foot shape to it, as you can see right there. Like that. And it is a thick plastic. It's not a thin, cheap, like Ziploc bag type of plastic. It's actually quite thick and strong and durable. So these should work really well for you.